Please watch and learn Logitech G Pro X Gaming Headset Headband Cushion Replacement, Easy Fix. As I understand, a crucial consideration for users outside of China is finding a reliable source to purchase authentic cushion parts, and I am pleased to offer these on AliExpress. This video is a guide, using the G Pro X wired version as an example, to demonstrate the general steps for replacement.
Here is undercut.
The wired and wireless versions feature distinct internal cable pins, making the cushions incompatible between them. When soldering, it's crucial to capture a picture before detaching the cable from the PCB since the wire sequence is critical for the proper functioning of the headphones. Subsequent steps have been excluded. You can refer to the disassembly steps provided earlier for guidance.